everybody. Let me get you all centered. I have an idea and I've tried it before and it has not worked. So that's why I'm using a little 8x8 canvas in case it doesn't work again. So as I've said before, I love like when there's a little bit left at the end of a flip cup and I drag the lip around and it just makes these little lines, and I love that look. So I've cut out part of a cup and I'm going to try dipping it in the paint and seeing if I can replicate it. As I said, I've tried it before and it did not work. So we'll see. Now I thinned out this white quite a bit because I've been having so much trouble with it being too thick. So we'll see. Ah, perfect. Nice flow. I wish there was a way that I could just make a million flip cups and just use the dredges of them, but that seems fairly wasteful. So I don't think that would really work. Oh my gosh, I haven't painted on a canvas this tiny for so long. It's so little. Teeny. Torch the air bubbles because I shook up that white like crazy. All right, oopsies. You missed it. In my last video, I not only stabbed myself in the lip with the straw, which Roger would probably say is fair because he hates the straw. But I fell, I did a whole lot of stuff. So I'm using this self-mixed magenta to start to even see. Wiping it off is easier said than done. So that's completely dissolved into there. Now I'm going to do blue. And yellow. If you're wondering what these colors are, the video previous to this lists them off. So yes, I am going to make you watch the video before this if you want to know. Then we got some purple. That magenta totally went away. I'm gonna try, this has no name on it, so, but it looks pretty. So far, not how I might have a bit of a I'm just going to tilt this to see something. If it even does what I want it to do when I tilt it. Not really. Not really at all. Bummer. Bummer, bummer. So it's probably been a good 8 months or so since I've tried this experiment. And it's clear that it still needs some work. I just can't figure it out. Grr. Why can't I? So I am going to do a baby hair dryer. Because I really liked how the last pour with the hair dryer turned out. So let's torch this. And I've got this, which was cut from this, so I'm just going to use this. And I'm not going to need that much paint. It's a baby canvas. I poured it out sideways. No, I'm just going to go like that. How pretty. Try not to hurt myself. I'll get my hair dryer. Wham! Sweet. Super cool. And you can tell this time I did not torch the crap out of it like in the other one because it is still flowy. I'm actually going I am going to embellish with the straw again though. I love that look. think this one got a little more muddied up because it's such a small area, and the hair dryer was a big blast of force. So I think, but even with it like that, it's still very cool looking. See, I love that part right there. Without the straw, you just don't get that. That was not pure white that I just did. Such a cute little canvas. So adorbs. Short and sweet. So it may not have been what I was going for, but I like it. And I have found a successful new twist on, well, a successful and Osborne twist on that shovel scoop pour thingy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.